Hello, here is South Bend 9 Model A, built in 1950. This lathe is not mine, yet, but it could be. The owner didn't have place to set it up, and recently was forced to empty his storage. So it is sitting in my garage now. The agreement is that I will see if it works, determine the value and decide if I buy it or he will sell it. I will show you what are visible problems with it, and if you are in the subject, please help me determine the fair market value as is. Here is the thread chasing dial. It came with this motor and another spare motor. The bracket that holds switch is broken, but it can be easily fixed. The motor mount, belts and belt cover included. The part for belt tensioner is missing. I set screw touching the way at the far right position. And I move the carriage towards the headstock . And screw moves by 1/8 of a turn. Gears here look okay. No missing teeth. The gearbox . This handle is broken. The shaft is bent, a part of it is broken and stuck inside. But this should not influence operation of the gearbox. The ways are far from perfect. The carriage . This part probably was broken and fixed with those two brackets and bolts. The apron seems to work okay. The tailstock . Stuff that came with it. This little chuck is locked. Broken off key. Here is obvious problem. Part of this gear is broken. The chuck is loose in some sections. The serial number, some close-ups, four-feet bed, 9-inch Model A, 1950. What is the value? As is. Let me know. Thank you.